market high, but I do see the whole situation with end of day and previous day high getting acceptance above there.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna take a long. I'm gonna take a long right here, and I'm gonna put my stop on SPX. I'm not in it yet. I'm waiting for a little break above. Okay. Yep. All right. Just entered that long. I got my stop loss right below open print here on SPX. Let's see if we can get a little push up into PDH. And the biggest thing I like about this is that level held, right? 52850 held pretty well.
Yeah, I like that. I mean, if you zoom out on high, that's what you want to see. You want to see, structure being held, a bit of retest.
Right.
I like that. Zoom out on the 15 and the 30 an hour. You actually see that.
So my stop here on SPY is going to be 529.6. Right, this 50 on this 50 EMA right here. Let's see. Yeah, on the 5 minute you can see it a little bit better. You see how we close right there above the 50? I'm looking for us to hold open print. If we fall to 529.60, I got a hard stop in. I'm not playing with this volatility today. Let's see if we can get a nice push here up into PDH.
I don't like it. I don't like this deal. We're just bearish engulfing and then 2 minutes later bullish engulfing.
Yeah. Yeah, it might be some chop. Looks like...
The thing is, you literally never know what day of the week is going to be chopped, and this is why you have to show up every single day.
Yeah.
And at least watch the market and see if you're set up for sets. Like, that's, if you just say, I'm not good at Fridays.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then, you don't trade on a Friday. That day you don't trade, there's going to be a phenomenal setup.
Yeah. If we could push, there we go. Really nice push here.
Let's go, buyers push through and
yeah, let's see let's see a nice push here up into PDH.
Oh, a 3-bar play.
Off open print, you got to take it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see if they can continue to hold. If we could get the cloud to really nice push. Look how clean SPX chart looks. Like I don't know what it is, but SPX chart just really looks clean. Like it looks clean. I like seeing buyers hold that level. Really nice push here off open print. Cons aren't moving it's weird, dude. You would think with these price fluctuations, cons would be ripping. They don't. It's weird. A dollar move doesn't pay what it used to. Let's just put it that way.
Nah, it doesn't. It doesn't really.
But the biggest thing
I noticed that yesterday.
Yeah. The biggest thing I like seeing right here for everyone in this trade is that sellers tried to push price into open print and buyers showed up very strong, right? So you're going to see right here, very nice push. Very nice push.
Let's wow.
Yeah, that was a very nice push there. Let's see if we can get a nice break here into PDH. Yo, that was a money shot. Up 48% here.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Look at it go.
Beautiful trade, guys. You got to play the 3-bar off open print. You got to. If anyone's in this, I would.
You and you follow up on Friday. Where?
Bro, I've been destroying. We've
Fridays?
been destroying Fridays.
You have.
Yeah, well, we have honestly, but like,
I love it.
like, look at the fake out below the 50, right? Fake out below the 50. Buyers respecting that level. Up 68% here. SBX Con.
Animal.
Yeah, I'm debating if I'm gonna just take it up here at PDH. Let's see how price reacts there. If anyone's in this trade, this is your scale out.
Nice. Great analysis. Being patient, waiting for your zone to be hit.
Yeah.
I love it.
Thanks, Debo. That was a good one. It felt really good. Look at that push
Real
there.
candle.
Look at that push there off open print, Debo. Really nice push. Oh, unbelievable. Look at that candle,
I'm
bro.
watching it.
Damn.
Get the fuck out of here.
That was beautiful. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready here to take profit. There's a large push here. I'm just gonna use the 2-minute cloud. And let's see what we get here. I'm willing to give back X amount, and it's good. I think we pushed into PDH very well. This is a really important level, so I'm honestly going to move my take profit to 531. Yeah. I'm just going to take it. Lock it in.
Oh, bro. Phenomenal. Right.
Yeah.
Anything over 50%, I mean,
Yeah.
if you think about it, in the long run,
Yeah.
50%,
Yeah.
gains on position.
Well, yeah.
What was it? Literally, man.
Yeah, it's in 6 minutes. And this is the thing, dude, is like, I'm here, like yesterday in the Discord, right? We put, do you want to be right or do you want to be rich? Like, at this point, if it's not worth it to me, look at the 5-minute Debo. Look how far away we are from the cloud on SBX. We're at a very important level here at PDH. It's not worth it to me to hold through this pullback on these cons. So I take it, and then we live to trade another trade, right? Like, I'm done trying to prove to but that's not to say at some trades you're supposed to hold. You know what I'm saying? Like, very fast moves get eaten up. That's happened to me multiple times this week. So it was just worth it to lock it in. And overall, I'm very satisfied with my trade performance on that trade.